Hi everyone, my name is Ayush and welcome to Tech Supplement, where we bring to you the daily dose of technology. So today we'll be having the Blue Yeti condenser microphone, and I bought it from Blue's website for around $108 with student discount, and I'll be providing the link in the description below. This is a USB microphone and I'll be bringing the review soon. So let's get started with the unboxing.
The Blue Yeti microphone is rotatable up to 180 degrees. On the back, you get an option to change the input gain. On increasing the gain, the microphone will take in more background noise. Next, you get 4 modes of Blue Yeti. The first option is the stereo mode, next is Omnidirectional mode, third one is CARDIOID mode, and the last one is the Bidirectional mode. Currently, I am recording this audio using the CARDIOID mode, which captures audio directly in front of the microphone. This is perfect for podcasting, voiceover, and YouTube videos. Coming to the front, we get a button to mute or unmute the microphone. Next, you get the option to increase or decrease the volume of the audio that the microphone is listening. On the back, you get a 3.5mm port to insert your earphones or headphones to hear what the microphone is listening. On the other side, you get to insert the micro USB side of the cable to the microphone. The port for USB-A directly goes to the USB port of your Windows or Mac computer.
If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. And stay tuned with Tech Supplement for more videos.